What's going on, everyone? This is CryptoSof here. Today is April the 10th, and I just wanted to point out a trade that I just entered right now, and you guys can too. You can see the entries at 154.23. That's what I'm looking to take, and I see this whole move as a WXY. As you can see, we have this ascending triangle right here, this white pattern where things were bouncing inside of this triangle. That's called an ascending triangle, and if you take this lower boundary line and copy and put it right on top, you get this line right here. The target's around 195. So I'm targeting right there. I think, yeah, the target's going to be 200 actually, 199. So that's my target. I'm already in. I just entered. I have the stop loss here. And yeah, to break it down here, when you have a WXY trade or WXY, what that consists of is three sets of three sets of ABC. So to view it right here, we have an A, B, C, that's W, an A, B, C, that's X, and A, you see this triangle for B, and now you see C. So this could have been the top, but I think it's not because of that reason of this classical charting pattern having a minimum target, and we have us having a wedge right here. So this wedge is pretty telling because this could not be a third wave wedge because ending diagonals or falling wedges don't occur on wave 3. So if this was a 1, 2, 3, that's impossible. And then we have 4 and 5. That's not possible from an Elliott perspective. So with that being said, there's a couple of reasons why I'm choosing to go with this trade right here. Yeah, that minimum target, like I said, around 195. This WXY looks like this would be an A, this is a B, and this whole move right here is C. So I'm looking to take this trade right here. It's probably going to bring around 25 to 30% gains. And it's all updated in the Telegram channel. I already gave the update in the channel. So if you guys are interested in that channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and check out the description where I have the links to the Telegram channel and group chat that are both 100% free. And in those, you can see all my updated trades, all my scalps, my swing positions, all those when I move a stop loss or any other type of update that I can't post on YouTube, I post on Telegram. And in the chat room, we have about 800 and something members right now, so it's growing. It's pretty big now. Come on in, join us. Let's have some fun. So get it back to this. Like I said, that WXY, I think we have that last wave for the Y. So the Y starts here. Yeah, the Y starts here right after X. So we have A, B, C. And this C wave, this Y, we have 3 waves. And in this third wave, we should have an A, B, C or 1 through 5. And I'm thinking this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4C. That's actually let's go ahead and change it to that. I think that makes more sense actually. So that'd be 1, 2, but then we'd have like 3, 4, and we may break out to like 210 or something like that. So I mean the minimum target based on the chart pattern is right there. So it's a little confusing, but all I know is we're most likely going to head to around 200. Now we can definitely go higher, and we'll just see, right? Like once we get there, we can definitely close and enter into a new position if the opportunity presents itself again. But overall, that's the trade. I'm actually going to update it to this just because I'm feeling like that's the most probable at this point. But make sure, like I said, check out that YouTube channel. I mean, not the YouTube channel, the Telegram channels to see the updates on this because this may change. But as of now, that's actually the new trade. I think we're going to break out a little bit before we break down. But I do think we're going to break down sooner or later. And I think that we may be in an ABC to create the low. This ABC is this will be the C of a WXY on a large degree that I'm not going to get into right now. But it seems like we may bottom end of this year, maybe next year with possibly $35 Ethereum. Now getting back into this, like I said, we have this falling wedge. Wave 1 and 2 are done, so we're looking at wave 3 now, up to here. Target should be around 200. We may consolidate a little bit and then break out again. So let's go ahead and pull a 1.618 fib. A 1.618 fib actually gets us right to 210, which is interesting. Okay, so that seems like it's a good target. Now, another thing I wanted to point out is that we're bouncing right off that 1.618, as you can see. That 1.618 line, let me go ahead and move this over. Is right there. That's where we're bouncing right now. And we're bouncing off of a little bit of support right here. As you can see, the dotted line matches up with basically the wick that we just had right here. So I'm thinking this whole move was an A, a B wave triangle, as you can see, A, B, C, D, E, and we broke down in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is the bottom right here. You guys can enter if you want. The safest entry would be right here if we break out and get above wave 4 and then retest. If we retest, you can grab that entry right there. That's the best option. This is a little risky, but I like to play these wedges, and I have some good experience with these wedges. This is probably the pattern I play the most, and I love it. So if you guys want to learn, or you want me to post a video on how I play these wedges and how I spot these wedges, because I did post this wedge when we were right here actually, and I said that I was going to enter right here. I can make a video if you guys want on how to spot and play rising wedges, falling wedges, ending diagonals, triangles, all these classical charting patterns. But yeah, guys, that's the target now. In fact, let's go ahead and make 2 targets. That 200 and the 210, simple. 195. First target, and the second target will be right here. Second target. All right, that's the first and second target we got, and yeah, so this would be around 20-25%, probably around 20, and then this gets you to 37. Let me see, 25 and 35. Yeah, that seems right. So that's the target, guys, like I said, and then from there we're going to look at closing and shorting. Another thing is, let's see here if we hit that 0.786 or 618. Wow, that's perfect right there. Look at that. We'd be bouncing right off that 0.618 retracement from this whole trend. So as we went down, 0.618, which is the Fibonacci golden ratio, is going to be right there on that 211 area right before we continue down. So that's most likely going to be that. That's really, really appealing right now. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Hopefully this video helped. You guys see the trade. I'm in already. If you want, you can wait, like I said, for a break of 159 and then a retrace to possibly 155 or so with stop loss at the low. Right now, we're having the stop loss a little lower than the low, only because we don't know if that's the low. It's actually possible that we come down and then go back up. So I don't know, but if we break down to this area, I do not want to be in anymore. I mean, I'm going to lose 3%. I'm only going low right now until I see a breakout of right here. If I see a breakout right there, I'll up the leverage and the amount I'm using. But until now, I'm in low leverage, small amount with 3.5% stop loss and a potential for about 35% gains. All right, guys, hopefully this video has helped. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, comment something in the comments below. Let me know what other type of videos you guys want to see. And don't forget to check out the description.